Hello everyone. My name is Shyamlal and BIM engineer fire protection system. Today I am going to explain about dry pipe fire sprinkler system, how it's work. Before I start, I would like to request you please subscribe my channel so you will get new videos. Once I upload some new videos, so you will get notifications. So let's start. Dry pipe fire sprinkler system. So I made few content. What is dry pipe system? Where do we use dry pipe? Difference from pre-action fire sprinkler system. Installation detail of dry pipe valve assembly. How dry pipe system works, I explained in some few steps. So let's start. What is dry pipe system? Dry sprinkler pipe are filled with pressurized air or nitrogen rather than water. This air holds a remote valve known as a dry pipe valve in a closed position and located in heated space. The dry pipe valve prevents water from entering the pipe until fire causes one or more sprinkler to operate. Once this happens, the air escapes and the dry pipe valve released, then water enters to the pipe flowing through one open sprinkler onto the fire. Reference NFPA 13 section 7.2. So I took this image from NFPA 13 from section 7.2 from NFPA section 13 edition 2016 for handbook. So this is the dry pipe system. So now we come on the next slide. Where do we use dry pipe? The following areas usually use dry pipe system where freezing is possible. Second, cold rooms, commercial freezers, unheated warehouse. In this all area we normally use dry pipe system. Third step, difference from pre-action fire sprinkler system. Pre-action fire sprinkler system employ the basic concept of the dry pipe system in that water is normally contained within the pipe. The difference, however, is that water is held from piping by an electrically operated valve known as a pre-action valve. So normally the difference is that dry pipe system valve is mechanically operated valve and pre-action valve is electrically operated valve. And this system is more complex compared to wet pipe and dry pipe system. As per NFPA 13 in section 7.321, pre-action system shall be one of the following type: single interlock system, non-interlock system and double interlock system. Now we come on the next slide. In this fourth number, installation detail of dry pipe valve assembly. So this is the installation detail. You can see here the water supply coming from the supply line, and here is jack valve, butterfly valve, dry pipe valve with all the components, and this pipe going to dry pipe sprinkler system. And you see here in the right hand side, here is that air compressor. So this is full installation detail. Now we come on the next slide in the fifth how dry pipe system works, that I explained in few steps. Step 1, and the sprinkler pipe contain in air under pressure shown in the yellow color, and here in the blue color water pipe contain water shown in blue color. And you see here the area located just beneath caliper is open to atmosphere through alarm port and automatic drain valve, and it is connected to through the alarm device. We come on the next step. This is the second step. When fire is activated, this is the fire, then when fire is activated the sprinkler, the air pressure in the sprinkler piping is released, the valve open to allow water to spray out of the sprinkler. Water will only spray out of the sprinkler that is activated. Water will also flow through alarm port to alarm devices to indicates the water to flow. So now we come on the third step. This is the third step. Once fire is under control, to reset the valve after fire under control, the main valve, this is the main valve, the main control valve is manually closed to shut off the water, and air supply valve to close shut off the air. The main drain valve and body drain valve and all auxiliary drain valve open to drain the system. So these you can see in this picture, these are the drains. So these drains are open to drain the system. So this main valve is closed, manually closed. Now we come on the next slide. This is the fourth step. Once system is stopped discharging water, all the drain valve closed except main drain. The flanger of automatic drain valve depressed to verify the system is completely drained. Replace replace all the sprinklers that are operated, and this press down to reset knob, allow to clapper reset. Now we come on the next slide, the step 5. Air and water pressure are restored again. Air and water pressure are restored again, and this main drain valve also closed, and this main control valve is normally open. So in this slide you can see that system is again under operation. So guys, thank you very much. Again I would like to request you, please subscribe my channel so you will get notification from coming video. So thank you very much to watching this video. Thanks.